Hello everyone, so our next topic is all about Spinbox. Here you can see. Okay, so I think this thing you all know basic things. Okay, so we will focus directly on this line. Spinbox we want inside our window, and why it is from underscore, because if you will remove this from that is underscore, if you will remove, see, from is a reserved keyword. See here. So we cannot write from, and that's why we have an inbuilt from underscore as a parameter inbuilt in the spin box. You cannot change also by writing suppose from and p, something like this. Control S F1. See, we are getting error. No, it is not possible. So compulsory you have to write from and underscore. So whatever range you want from year wise, 1990 to whatever year you want range, starting range, ending range, and then we can use sbox.pack function. You can use place also if you want to use. And now we will check the output. So Spinbox will give you output something like this, where you can have a up arrow and down arrow. So using this, you can select here or whatever value you want to select between the given range. Okay, likewise. Why it is not going now? Because the last value is 2024. So that is all about Spinbox. Thank you everyone.